Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Nintendo Switch error code 2321-4608. The error reads, "The server is online. Please try again later." If this problem continues, visit the Nintendo support website. As per our research, the error comes when players try to play online games like Mario Kart World. The error prevents users from joining or creating a room, and they receive a server communication error. According to our research, this error is most likely caused by server communication issues. It may also happen due to temporary server outages or network-related problems on your device. The first thing we suggest is to power cycle your Nintendo Switch along with your router. Simply turn off your Switch and your router, then unplug both from the power source, then wait for around 5 minutes, then plug them back in and restart. After that, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then try using a mobile hotspot connection. Connect your Nintendo Switch to a mobile hotspot and check if this helps with the error. If the error still persists, then visit the official Nintendo Network maintenance page at nintendo.co.jp/netinfo/n_us/index.html and check if the servers are down or under maintenance. If so, you'll need to wait until the servers are back to normal. If the error still continues, then check if your Nintendo Switch system have any pending updates. If there is an update available, install it and check if this resolves the error. At last, if the error still persists, then wait for some time and try again later. If it's a temporary server-side issue, it should be fixed by Nintendo shortly. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.